Right behind us, it is Hallows Eve Inc.'s Fear the Farm. I'm having a hard time with that. We're just going to call it Fear the Farm. How about that? Let's go on in.
What you are about to witness is the only known footage ever captured of the infamous Fear the Farm. A travelling show that vanished in 1962, along with 23 souls who were never seen again. The footage you're about to see was taken on 8mm film by those who would soon disappear into the twisted depths of this dark carnival. They are presumed dead, or worse, still trapped, eternally bound to the nightmare that lurks behind the carnival lights. A word of caution. Some of the scenes depicted may be disturbing, graphic, and traumatic. The truth captured on this film has haunted investigators for decades. If you choose to continue, be warned. What you're about to see cannot be unseen. Viewer discretion is advised. Inside our facility, nothing can possibly go wrong.
You're all going to die.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm assuming we're going this way.
Help me, don't let him get you! 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 Help me, I told you, don't let him get you! Help me!
Oh my god, there's no
Please help us! Yes, help us! Please! Please!
Oh. No exit.
No, no, no.
So we just got out of Fear the Farm. Whoa!
I don't know.
That was unbelievable. We saw Walker Chronicles and coming out, and they're like, it was good. You're in for a treat, and that was
Really good.
fantastic.
They did.
Absolutely.
Yes.
That was, I think, probably the scariest, creepiest maze that we've been to this
Loudest,
year,
yeah.
by far.
Very intense.
Very, very intense.
Very creative.
Very intense. Probably the
Detail.
most actors I've seen in a maze anywhere
Yeah.
Right.
this year. And there is a scene, if you know what freaks me out.
I know.
The hair stood up on my arms. I got sweaty, and I had to do
I
a couple.
sensed it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
We walked really fast through that part.
very good. I highly recommend this one. It is Fear the Farm. Very creative intro with that video. Highly recommend this. Tom's Farm. Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays through October. Combine it with that train ride.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have a really good time. The train ride probably a little bit more family friendly. This is creepy. very creepy. Good job. You got us.
Yes.
And we don't get. I always say we don't get gotten. We got it.
We got
we got it.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Oh my god. Oh.
Step right up. Your fate is your destiny tonight. Which door will he choose? We don't know.
We tried.
Which one is which?
No.
Oh no, not that door. Any door but that one.
Ticket prices, dates, times, all down in the description of this video for Fear of the Farm.
Also, while you're at Tom's Farms, you're going to want to check out the Haunted Train Ride. It is a separate ticket. It is about a 6 to 7 minute train ride with interactive characters, a must-do when you're at Tom's Farms. Do both events, again, separate tickets, same nights. Grab some food at one of the restaurants, go through the gift shops, and have a good time. We really enjoyed both the haunted house and this train ride. Highly recommend doing both while you're out there. And watch out while you board the train, they're waiting for you.
What's your biggest fear?
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media. Huge thank you to Hallows Eve Inc. for the invite, along with Tom's Farms. We had a great time. Happy Halloween, everyone.